really unfortunate start, team. This should be pretty good. You should be able to hear me through your speakers now. So, yeah, really unfortunate start here. So let's just go ahead and go over exactly what we were talking about today. I'm getting the signal already through you guys in the Discord trading team telling me that you also did not have sound. So, team, what I'm doing right here is actually trying to get, I'm trying to get the YouTube people that are not there just yet. Joe, thank you so much for coming on by because you, my friend, are another that I need to be able to add into this place, right? So, Joe, please go ahead and send me a mention in the Arca Lounge in Discord as soon as you can, so I can get you into here. So please go ahead and do that because I'm going to go dark here in around 10 minutes, and we're going to be trading the opening at around 6:30 a.m. in Discord. So please, YouTube, consider hitting that link that I shared on top. So you can join the Discord today, right? So let's go ahead and come back and try to get this out of the way. So we are observing here in Netflix. We noticed that there could have been an upside yesterday with a resistance of about 492.75 to 496.38. We're already getting a gap up on a few tickers, right? So what you're observing here is this. Let's take a look at the daily time frame here. The closing from Friday was 482.95 at traditional market, right? We're about to gap up to 486.60 or 485.60, which could create a pre-market gap fill reversal. So if we can do that, there may be a touch back down to the target or to the target of this daily candle. I'm sorry, the daily candle prior on Friday, right? So that opening is at 482.95 or closing 482.95. So that may be the space where we can retrace to. Now, if it does retrace a little bit fast here, we may have a chance to validate that SMA 50 into a resistance for a pullback. So if we do get that pullback here, man, oh man, there could be a continuation to the downside, right? So let me just go ahead and make sure that I do have this here. I got you. Hold on just a moment. And just a sec, team. Let me go ahead and add my dude right in here. That's Joe H. You're showing up, buddy. Okay. And let's see. All right. So, team, please go ahead and somebody mentioned Joe H. here in the in actually, you know what? I can do it. There we go. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Danielle. That would be more like this, just to make sure that he can get the attention, right? So, yeah, team. So that's kind of what I'm thinking of here on Netflix. Please remember that there could be some danger to the market here. This is getting ready for a potential breakdown. I'm not sure that it's going to do it right away because there is, sometimes we have to kind of wait the potential 65 to 75% to the apex. This is not quite there just yet. Nvidia is looking like we have an opportunity to start observing a potential downside. However, over the after hours or early pre-market, we have observed a brand new high, right? So this is a new all-time high, breaking that $600 mark. We now have seen Nvidia at 605 with 20 cents, marking off a huge top side. Okay, team. So I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen here with Nvidia. Please remember that there was some negative catalysts coming out during the weekend, right? So I'm not sure if that's going to play into the market open of traditional hours. But if there is that case, then we may get another shot to the upside here to validate that top side of the linear regression band at around 604.58 before a continuation to the downside. We're definitely getting a little bit of a gap up here as well. Failing this 596.74 with I would say with an hourly candle would definitely start introducing the bottom side of that 1.618 at 590 to around 592.17. So please make sure that you can keep a close eye on this, right? So we have around 5 minutes left here on YouTube before we go dark and start trading the financial markets. So let me just go ahead and also start getting my trading platform ready, right, for execution at open. So I need to make sure that that's also running, okay, team? So my apologies here if actually, you know what? I'm just going to wait on that just a bit, right? So team YouTube, please make sure to hit that link in the chat to get yourself into the Discord platform right away as we're going to go dark here in about in less than 5 minutes, right? And this is the team that you're observing right up there. So let's just go ahead and continue on the analysis here. Please remember that right now we are at a critical all-time high, 605.20. That is going to be our natural resistance for the next hour, and of course, failing a candle anywhere below 598.54 would introduce the downside and the inflection test of 596.74. Closing below there, of course, we're going to start testing the near the previous inflection zone, which is post-market lows from Friday afternoon. So that's going to be your critical zone right in there for NVIDIA. Okay, team. So let's just go ahead and take a look at Amazon here, because there was also another potential opportunity there. Amazon getting a really nice push from the bottom side of the opposing side of the linear regression bands, right? If we can go ahead and make sure to close this candle here, let me do this in an hourly time frame instead. Actually, this is getting really close. Here, team, check this out. This is a pretty nice area for us to start, retrieving or starting to close upside of that SMA 50, right? If we close upside of this SMA 50, sure, there could be a continuation to the upside, but I will say that right at around this 5-minute gap, which is also the top side of this linear regression band, we closing a candle below this would introduce pressure to the downside, right? So we may actually get some pressure down to here first, right at about 156 from the break of 156.65, and then naturally we'll cover that gap up, right, all the way down to 55.23, because closing below that linear regression would introduce a move back down to 153.81. Those are going to be your critical levels right there, right? So D's nuts. Yeah, no, there's not going to be any, you can do it through a PC, or you can do it through like maybe a tablet, I heard, but not everybody could do it through a tablet either. But from there, everything would be available through PC. It's only the subscription process that Discord is they're having trouble with, and they're saying they're trying to fix whatever it is, but it is it needs to be some type of computer or something. Says need PC. My PC is down. Oh my goodness, dude, that is absolutely annoying. So why don't we do this? Go ahead and send me a DM on the Arca Lounge, and I can go ahead and assign you a day's access, right? So then it'll expire today, and then you would hopefully get this day to try to figure it out. Send me that out in the Arca Lounge. Send me a mention, right? Mention me at me, saying Arca, I'm here, buddy. So yeah, guys, we have less than a minute to go to look at the markets. So I need you to go ahead and make your way over to the Arca Bulls Discord and join up, because we're going to be trading in the dark right as we close here, team. Carvana is another thing that we were taking a look at just yesterday, right? Huge gap up already starting 46.10. This could be a gap up to gap fill reversal in the open, right? So we're looking at a support level of prior day high at the wick high, which is 45.43, right? We're currently sitting at 46.10, and that is the higher probability here. We'll get that reversal that if we do get a confirmation here above that prior day high, we could be continuing on to the upside, right? So please make sure to validate and confirm any moves before a continuation to that upside. Let me look at this in the hourly time frame before we make any rash moves, right? 200-day simple moving average and the SMA 10 are currently serving as a potential, what could be here as a nice little guide towards the upside, right? So now if we can add something real quick, so we can just close off the chat here and move on to the Discord, we're just going to go ahead and take a look at this. Oh man, it's going to be very important here. The hourly time frame must close above 46.22 in order for it to continue on to the upside. Huge supports to the downside, but it would add extra pressure to the downside if we do close that hourly candle in 36 minutes and 3 seconds right underneath that regression band. So team, please, YouTube, please go ahead and follow this link that I'm about to put there, so you can go ahead and join us in the Arca Bulls trading team, right? We have almost the entire team already in there right now. So I'm going to go ahead and close off the chat here on YouTube and start getting ready to trade live in the dark here with Discord. Okay, so hit that link, join up, and make sure to subscribe through a PC, and then your phone will be you'll have availability through your phone as well. Okay, team. So please go ahead, hit that link right there, and join the Arca Bulls trading team right away, so we can get this these trades moving. But with that said, I really appreciate everybody for coming on by on the YouTube side. I love you, team. So let's go ahead and close this off and make sure that we can get a good day today, right, team? So here we go. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never, never, never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very, very good rest of your day and a good trading day. And I'll catch you at the bell mañana. Adios, team.